All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our Funkfit Games 2024. Right here in American Samoa, coming to you live with Pitawi Deals at the Dewa Gym in Tahuna. I am Ariana Princess AUVA'A with my co-host here, Mr. James.
Judges make sure that they're getting their weights, the proper weights properly, because the next event is 2 and 2, and then for the RX athletes, they need to do 3 front squat and 3 shoulder to overhead. Once they find their max for the females, they're gonna go straight into 6 minutes of shared 10-meter yoke carry. The yoke carry is the one right here. It looks like a bar, but it's kind of complicated. It looks different only because it allows you to walk forward. Yeah. So for the male, they're carrying 395 pounds back and forth. That's 10 meters all up to the cone. Females, they're carrying 295 pounds, right? So 295 pounds shared. So once again, for our RX team, they need to carry the weight straight from the bar, on the bottom, on the floor, straight to their squat and overhead press.
And now with the first heat, ladies and gentlemen, in event number 3, the first heat teams that are competing are Determination, Team Foiletini, and Team Let's Go.
Team Determination, Team Foiletini, and Team Let's Go.